Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a highly requested video. It is a 5 minutes warm-up routine. You can add this at the start of any of your workouts. Before we jump into it, smash that like button and subscribe. And let's do this. So we've got 12 exercises for our warm-up. No rest since it's just a warm-up. The first 7 are 30 seconds each and the last 5 are 20 seconds. Let's start with slow high knee. Lift your knees up high and crunch and engage that core of yours. You can always speed it up and do a regular high knee, but you don't have to since this is just a warm-up. Straight away, we have butt kickers. Start slow and halfway through the exercise, you can bring the speed up into a jog. Now we have jumping jacks. You can do the regular jumping jacks, but if you prefer to not jump, you can do side step jacks instead. Adjust it based on how you feel. We have inchworm with up and down plank. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, then walk your hands forward into a high plank. Then get on your elbow into a low plank, then back up again. Now we have downward dog with a knee tuck. Raise one leg behind you, then bring it into your chest, then do the same on the other side. Let's do some shoulder circles. Do big circles with your arms in a clockwise motion for 15 seconds, then in an anti-clockwise motion for the next 15 seconds. We have toe touches next. Touch your foot with your opposite hand. Rotate your torso while you do the movement and be safe, guys. Now we have lunge and kick. Bring one leg behind and lunge down and come back up and do a front kick. This helps to warm up our legs. Now do the same on the other side. Now we have low lunge with a twist. This helps to warm up both your upper body and also your hip flexors. Do about 4 to 5 times each side. Now onto the other side. The final warm-up exercise is sumo squat with shoulder dip. Start in a sumo squat and place your hands behind your head like so, then rotate your upper body. And that's the warm-up, guys. Now you can move on to the next workout. If you're still not feeling warm yet, you can do another round. Feel free to do this warm-up routine at the start of every workout session. You can do it before any of my programs and workouts. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!